Hello viewers. Today I'll show you how to make a delicious Malaysian style beef recipe voted one of the best foods of the world. It is called beef rendang and there are many variations of this recipe which is believed to have originated in Indonesia. Here I have 1 kg of good quality boneless British beef which has been chopped into small pieces. Let's look at some of the other ingredients. I will need 8 shallots, 2 stalks of lemongrass, some dry kaffir lime leaves, a chunk of galangal, 1 liter thick coconut milk. I am using canned coconut milk, but you can use fresh coconut milk if coconuts are readily available in your area. Put a cast iron pot on fire. Pour the coconut milk into the pot and then add the beef into the pot. Here I have the shallots peeled, the galangal and lemongrass chopped, and I am going to add them into the pot along with the kaffir lime leaves. Give the pot a stir. Add some salt according to your taste and stir it in. Bring the pot to a boil. Then put the lid on and cook it at least for 1 hour on low heat. Let's look at the other ingredients for the next stage of cooking. Here I have some raw turmeric, some galangal, some garlic cloves, a few bird eye chilies, a few long red chilies, a bowl of dry coconut flakes. You can use fresh ones if it's available to you. Let's toast the coconut flakes. Put the coconut in the frying pan and gently toast them, stirring them often until they are a bit brown, like this, and then grind them into a coarse powder. I have chopped the other ingredients which I shall grind to a paste in a mortar. Let's put the ingredients into the mortar and grind them up into a paste like shown here. Now let's take the lid off and check on the beef to see if it is cooked, and it is. Now we are going to fish the beef out of the broth. You can take out the lemongrass and lime leaves if you want for the next stage of cooking, or keep some for texture. Heat some oil in a large pot. Then add the ground chili garlic paste to it. and fry for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it in well. Now add the beef pieces into the pot. And fry them together with the masala paste. Add 1 ladle of the coconut broth at a time to the pot and then fry the beef. Till the broth dries out a bit. You need to do this at least 4 to 5 times. Now add the ground toasted coconut into the pot and mix it in. You can do it in 2 or 3 batches and fry the beef with the ground coconut, stirring constantly. Add a bit of the broth if needed. As you can see, the beef has browned up now and our beef rendang is ready. Let's plate up this flavorful beef dish. Garnish with some chopped red chilies. Beef rendang is best served with boiled rice and is one of the most popular beef dishes of the world. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!